Now we are heading to Madagascar. So we are with my sister. Can you say your experience?
My experience is fine. We are doing fine. We are trying. We are trying. The experience is fantastic.
My sister, this is her first ride, and she's so afraid. She's so afraid. But we are crossing
This is all
fingers.
about waters. This
Yes,
is
it's
all
all
about.
about. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time watching this video, my name is Mark, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please make sure to hit that subscription button. And to my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming, watching, and liking my videos. As you can see, guys, today we are at the seas, at the shores, and at the lakes, capturing adventures. So guys, today we wanted to show you an amazing activities that are done on the waters. So please make sure to hit that subscription button, like, comment, and share, because today we'll be showing you amazing activity like boat riding. So guys, stay tuned. Make sure to watch this video towards the end. Our first activity is boat riding, and we'll be using this traditional boat. First of all, you should wear your life jacket. So guys, our first experience in the boat is in the beach is this boat, and we'll be using this traditional boat. So guys, come along. First of all, you need a life jacket to ensure your safety. So I have mine here. Safety first. Let me wear my jacket, then I will catch up with you. We have started sailing. We are using this traditional boat. We want to experience, and this beach is called Bamburi Hotel. We are having amazing moments with an instructor here. You can show them our instructor.
This is the instructor. Her name is Jennifer.
Yes.
Welcome. Karibu sana.
So if you need any experience in the waters, you can check them out. It's just the traditional one is the best. You have to catch some moments with the sea, in the water. Everything becomes real. So it's just amazing. There's something unbeatable about.
It's always gold.
There's
So
some.
we are with the traditional.
So guys, you can check it out. It's so fun.
If they want any help, they can reach our instructor.
Yeah. So you can say it's just fun. It's just pure fun. We are with our life jackets, so we are safe. Most of the people are always afraid using this traditional one because they think it's too risky, but you have to try it out. Yeah, here we are trying new things. Yeah, we are also very safe.
These boats are controlled by military.
Yes.
They are given permission.
Yeah.
We are not our capital carrier is 8%.
Yes.
So 8% can pass this boat. Welcome, guys. Guys, you are your boat.
Thank you. You can. It's just fun. It's just amazing. Yeah, hakuna matata. We are just having fun. Hakuna matata. Jambo mana wagenza. Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Tata. Hakuna matata. The experience is just amazing.
It's fun.
You're right, yeah. You're right. Because many people doesn't know that boat is safe. Yes.
Yeah, most of the people.
You can pass the message.
Yes, I will tell them.
Unajua watu wanaogopanga hii.
Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, anywhere.
It's just amazing.
Later on you send those photos to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just fun. This is Mombasa. It's just fun. Mombasa Raha. It's a continental. Yes. Yes.
That's a place called Copacabana.
Yeah.
There's a fish market there.
Yeah.
Fish pond.
He wants to eat.
Lobster.
Yes.
It's a
Lobster.
great place for taking people.
First, they just fish the fish from the sea and they grill it over there.
You can take one day from the hotel
Yeah.
to that place in Dover.
Yes.
And you can have lunch
Yes.
and you can take you back to the boat.
Is there seafood? There kuna seafood huko.
Yes, if you
Have a new experience. It's just amazing. This is fun. Hey, the ocean is so silent. Yes, it's just it is an amazing experience. If you have not checked it out, you are missing a lot. You can show them the views.
the white line,
Eh?
the white line is the boundary of the dips. See the white line in front of the line. As you can see the white line there. That white line is the boundary
White
of the
lines.
dips. If you pass the white line,
Yeah.
you are ever getting deeper and deeper.
Deeper and deeper.
So that
It
is where
starts
the
from
ships.
it starts from 2 meters,
Uh-huh.
6,
Yes.
10, 15 meters to 20 meters. The diving side is 20 meters.
So some boats hazifiki huko.
Yeah, you can pass even. Well, you see where the white water is? Those balls.
They go fishing there.
You see those balls there? There's the entrance to go to the beach.
You can see the white line.
The boat is doing fine. It's a traditional thing we are getting to experience right over here from Mombasa with our guides, and we are having fun. It's a nice one, and the price is so friendly. So don't worry about the price. The price is so friendly. They are so friendly people. Reach them out. They are wako Mombasa, wako Mombasani. Ukitaka kukuja boti tutawa plug hapo chini, namba zao watatuachia, alafu tutaandika namba zao hapo chini, alafu mtaona magudi goodies hapa. Tuwaselelea tu, tuwaselelea. Watatuachia namba, alafu tutawaandikia hapo chini. We will plug you their numbers. They are good tour guides. These are our people. Wasupport.
This is Mom Jennifer. Mom Jennifer.
All the way from Kisumu.
Huyo mama yatoka Kisumu pale kwa masamaki vile.
Duka Beach.
Sunset.
Yes, this is amazing experience.
Hapa sasa tumeanza kwenda dipu.
You're not getting deeper, you're getting deeper. So this is just the depth place. It is about 40 meters, but after that, things are getting shallow to well.
Lakini tuseme nikaanguka hapa ndani na float. Na float kwa sababu naona iko mbali kidogo. Iko. Alafu ni swim. Alafu distance tumetoka pale si fupi kidogo. Distance tumetoka pale si fupi.
2.5 kilometers, 1.5 miles.
Lakini ni nzuri. Tunaomba pia nyinyi mtutembelee huku, muangalie wale wa Nairobi. Drum rolls. Aya, sawa sawa. Kwa sababu wanapenda traditional. Unajua Kenya is all about tradition. Kwa hivyo usiangalie ile ya kisasa sana, kama mfuko yako kidogo inakubana. This is more safe kwa sababu watu tuko nao ni experts. Hawa ni experts wa kuswimu. Ukipata ni expert kama mimi pia wa kuswimu. Haya, tunasereleka, twende na haya.
So guys, we are on our way to Madagascar. We have sailed all along tumekuja hivyo, and now we are heading to Madagascar. So we are with my sister. Can you say your experience?
My experience is fine. Yes. We are doing fine. We are trying. The experience is fantastic.
My sister, this is her first ride and she's so afraid. But we are crossing fingers.
This is all about waters.
It's all about waters, learning, exploring, having fun. You can check them out. They're using a traditional boat. It's just fine. There's full experience. You can feel the waters. Yeah, it's a reality. It's a dream come true. You can check the ocean. The ocean is so blue. It's so sunny. It's so calm. You can see the sun is sunsetting. You can see the view. Yeah, that's amazing. So we are sailing. It's just fun, pure fun. Yeah, wengine huwa wanaogopanga. Yeah, they don't know the experience. Huwa wanaogopa hii, wanasema iko risky. You live once, you just experience things, learn new things.
If you are not safe, you can't be allowed. You know? If your body is not well made, you can't be allowed to serve people, you know. And every boat has been controlled by maritime teachers, and they have seen the boat, they have measured the boat is capable to carry people, you know. Kenyans should not be scared about our boat, you know.
Are there any disadvantages of
What?
boat riding?
This is the best one because it is the cheapest.
Are there any disadvantages
of this boat? Disadvantage is the timings. Maybe you're on a hurry and the wind is low, so sometimes we pedal, you know. When sometimes the wind gone, but we can't, before the wind disappear, we can try to land anywhere with the land. I've been in this place for 20 years now. I've survived. I know to sail when I was around 9 years old. So I was taught to sail.
You were born in Mombasa?
Yeah, I was born in Mombasa, in a village, Shanzu village. That's my teachers, Shanzu Teachers College there. My name is Kalume. Yeah.
And a phone number?
Phone number is 0713 96 53 96. And my friend's number, shall I tell you too?
Yeah.
0719 58 21 36.
We will plug them and we will let them know where you are located.
Yeah, that will be nice, my friend. We need really promotion because down the beach, people doesn't sell this one because it's very.
What are the advantages of boat riding?
Advantage for this boat is we are using wind. That's why it's cheap, and the petrol now is very expensive. So if you come with this boat, we have limited price, and we have also reasonable price. For example, customer, if you come yourself, you can negotiate with us. If you come with a broker like someone like Jennifer, we shall also understand you. So about the price, it's no matter, you know. It depends on the services because there's a special price for snorkeling, go to the marine park. But for the ride, it depends how long you want. And we have all kinds. Anyway, there is, we don't have fixed price. We are serving people local, you know. So even if you are normal people, you know, village people, also we are serving them for fine price, you know. Because nowadays we pay the local tourists like you guys. So it's so nice to have you today on board. You're welcome so much, and we are wishing you all the best and long life until we meet again.
Just to add on,
I think the price should the customer know why. You know. It depends because you can hire the boat for the whole day for 10,000 shillings if you hire the boat.
or maybe 20.
So this boat you can hire it for the whole day for 10,000. It can take you. That is including even lunch. You understand? You know. So we are serving people right. We are serving people right.
Yes, let me add something, maybe which he has not said. Like I'm saying, riding with being on board with the glass bottom boat, the difference is the government has to take their tax of which you have to retain your ticket, and through the e-citizen. But riding with this traditional one, it is just the captains and the crews on board, who is me. We just agreed on how you will go. So this is Jennifer speaking. Thank you so much. You are yeah, this is Jennifer, Captain Jennifer Mungoma, and my numbers are 0722828786. You are all welcome.
Yeah. The reload.
Now, wow.
Wow. Fish park. Is there some fishes in the ocean?
No, right now there are no fishes because we have not gone to the deep sea. Yeah, they're always there, but you have to go deeper for you to find them. Yeah.
Riding with the glass bottom boat, so that you can see through it down there. Yes, but here you can't see. But
This area is marine park.
yeah, we have a park over there,
6 miles long and 1.5
and it is all surrounded with fish, and we always feed the fish with bread. Always we have to fish to give them bread, and the beautiful corals of the sea, it is always there. So when you want to see more, at least this time, you will come with me up to the marine park, the Marine National Park of the sea, so that you will see everything. And there we are going to give you bread, and you will be feeding the fish, and you will see all of them coming to you. It's like they want to eat your hands, but no, they are just looking for the bread. So karibu sana.
Thank you so much for hosting us. Thank you so much for having us today. And it was a great experience. Yeah, and being a customer service week, we appreciate you so much because it's a customer service week, you know. Yeah, and you have hosted us very well. And thank you so much. And to our fellow subscribers, we welcome you to Mombasa traditional boat ride. You will have a good experience. We'll plug you their numbers over there on the screen. Then you will be calling them out when you arrive in Mombasa.
They are in Bamburi. Yes, this is Bamburi Beach.
Okay.
So guys, the sun is setting. That is the sun. That is the ocean. The ocean. Those are hotels there. The ocean. Just having this is me. The real dog. That was it for today. It was an amazing experience. The traditional boat was amazing. Don't be afraid. Come check it out. It's amazing. The numbers are We'll be leaving them down below. It's just amazing. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe to catch amazing adventures. If you want more of this, tell me on the comment section, and I will not hesitate to bring. See you on the next video. Make sure you hit that subscription button, like, share, and comment. Give your own view. How was the sea? What was your favorite part? See you on the next video.